Beam just broke a critical trend line, and if this setup plays out, we could be looking at a potential 8x rally. Here's where things get really interesting. While the charts are heating up, Beam just burned over 113 million tokens, launched a full token swap platform, and locked in game partnerships with over 13 million players. In this video, I'll break down the exact chart targets, what this breakout means, and how the Beam ecosystem is aligning for a massive shift. But before you ape in, let's decode what the data really says. Beam just completed a major trendline breakout on the 3-day chart, a trend line that had held price hostage since December. That breakout alone shifts market structure from bearish to neutral bullish. Zooming in, we see price trying to reclaim the SuperTrend indicator, flipping it green after months of red. That'll be confirmation number one. Now, look at the Fibonacci levels. Price is currently floating below 1 cent. If this move continues, the next key retracement level is the 0.236 fib, followed by the 0.382 level close to 2 cents. But here's what really stands out. The visible range volume profile, VRVP, shows a liquidity vacuum all the way to 3 cents, the golden pocket. That's a zone with barely any resistance. The structure is telling us, if price can reclaim that level, momentum might go vertical. The technicals are juicy. But let's talk catalysts. Because Beam isn't just breaking out, it's backed by serious on-chain moves. 1. Massive token burn. On May 1st, Beam burned more than 113 million tokens. That's over 40.9% of total supply reduced since inception. In crypto, that's not just deflation, that's conviction. 2. BeamSwap goes live. The long-awaited BeamSwap is now live. It allows users to instantly trade any token on the network. No more friction. This dramatically increases utility and keeps users within the ecosystem. 3. Node Season 2 equals staking hype. Beam Node Season 2 is live until the end of May. More nodes equals more decentralization equals stronger fundamentals. It also incentivizes long-term holders, reducing sell pressure. All of these events stack up. The question isn't if Beam is moving, it's how far and how fast. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I want to get in early on plays like this, but I don't want to gamble blindly, that's exactly why I wrote my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It walks you through real-world staking, airdrops, passive income setups, without getting rugged. You'll find the link in the top pinned comment if you're serious about leveling up your game. Now, let's talk BeamFest 2025. It's not just a marketing stunt, it's a signal. On May 17th in Amsterdam, Beam is hosting activations with many games, including Off the Grid, a game with over 13 million players. And they're not alone. The Beam network is bridging Ether token to expand its ecosystem. Collaborating with Triumph Games, 330,000 pre-registrations. Pushing integrations with Sorare, Gods Unchained, and Trial Extreme. That's not just noise, that's an ecosystem forming. And where ecosystems form, liquidity follows. In fact, Beam's most recent recap teased a brand new app to navigate the network. When UI UX improves, retail follows. And we all know what happens when retail enters a low-cap project. Let's zoom out and talk upside. From the current price, 618 Fibonacci level equals almost 3 cents. Full fib extension, 1.618 equals 6 cents. That's the 8x potential you saw on the thumbnail, and it's not clickbait. It's drawn directly from the chart. The Fibonacci RSI, below the price action, just flipped bullish after spending 5 months in capitulation. That's your final signal. If Beam reclaims 1 cent this month and holds, we could see momentum accelerating toward 3 cents, especially if the gaming hype and token utility narrative keeps compounding. But remember, this isn't financial advice. This is structured opportunity analysis. You manage your risk. I'll show you where the map points. Beam isn't just another altcoin hoping for a narrative. It's breaking out on the charts. It's burning supply at scale. It's onboarding users with real games, tools, and swaps. The alignment of technicals and fundamentals here, rare. And that's why it's worth watching and understanding. If this video made you feel even 1% smarter or more prepared, smash the like button and drop a comment below with your Beam price prediction. And if you want more plays like this, I've linked another high-value video right here on the end screen. Oh, and don't forget to check the top pinned comment for the ebook. You don't have to trade blind anymore. See you tomorrow in the next one.